This is Cougar's Chic Fashion TV. Timeless style begins after 40. Enjoy the show.
Confidence comes from embracing your body and choosing pieces that make you feel amazing. A well-chosen bikini can highlight your best features and let your personality shine. Here are 4 tips to help you look and feel fabulous. Tip 1. Find the perfect fit. Start by choosing a bikini that fits your body comfortably. Supportive tops and well-fitted bottoms create a balanced, flattering look, letting you move and relax with ease. Tip 2. Emphasize your favorite features. Highlight what you love most. High-cut bottoms elongate legs, halter tops accentuate shoulders, and structured designs enhance your curves naturally. Tip 3. Use colors and patterns wisely. Pick shades and prints that complement your skin tone. Bold patterns bring energy, while solid tones create sleek-cut slimming lines. Balance is key to a polished look. Tip 4. Add stylish accessories. Finish your look with simple touches like a wide-brim hat, chic sunglasses, or a lightweight cover-up. Accessories boost confidence and add a sense of effortless style.
Thank you for watching Cougar's Chic Fashion TV. If today's looks inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.